Hey there, folks. Today, I want to talk about an incredible opportunity for students worldwide, especially those from low and middle-income countries. Imagine studying in Norway, a country renowned for its academic excellence and inclusive society, without the burden of IELTS and with full financial support. It's a game changer. Norway has always been a sought-after study destination, and the 2026 to 2027 academic year is no exception. What makes this opportunity so special is that it removes two significant barriers for international students: language proficiency and financial constraints. You don't need to stress about IELTS, and you get a fully funded scholarship. It's like a dream come true. Norwegian universities are known for their high standards, innovation, and student-centric approach. They collaborate with international institutions and industries, ensuring a globally recognized education. But what's even more impressive is their commitment to accessibility. Norway understands the challenges students face, especially those from developing economies, and they're offering a helping hand. One of the most appealing aspects is the flexibility in English proficiency requirements. You might not need IELTS at all. If you've studied in English before or have other qualifications, you're good to go. This opens doors for so many talented individuals who might have been held back by standardized tests. Now, let's talk about the scholarships. These aren't your average scholarships, they cover everything. Tuition, accommodation, flights, visas, and even monthly stipends. Students can focus on their studies and personal growth without worrying about finances. It's a rare opportunity to have all these expenses covered, especially in a country with a high cost of living. The scholarships are available for bachelor's, master's, PhD, and research programs, mainly in fields like sustainability, engineering, social sciences, and climate studies. Norway is future-oriented, and these fields are crucial for global development. Imagine being part of cutting-edge research and innovation. But who can apply? Well, the doors are open to international students worldwide, with a focus on those from developing nations. The criteria are merit-based, looking for academic excellence, motivation, and a clear career path. It's not just about getting a degree, it's about making a global impact. Living in Norway is an experience in itself. Students get modern housing, public transport discounts, and access to excellent healthcare. Norwegian universities promote work-life balance and independent learning, ensuring students develop valuable skills. It's not just about academics, it's about personal growth. The application process is straightforward, but early preparation is key. You'll need to apply for admission, submit scholarship applications, and provide academic records and motivation letters. It's a competitive process, so start early. In my opinion, this is more than just a scholarship, it's a chance to change your life and contribute to a better world. Norway is offering a transformative experience, and it's up to you to seize it. So, if you're an ambitious student with a passion for learning and global impact, Norway is calling your name. Don't miss out on this incredible journey.